In fact, one of the things to keep in mind when you're selling one home and buying another one is what to do with the home loan. I brought in Adhil Shetty. He is the CEO of bankbazaar.com. Adhil, take us through the process of what one must do if you're going to move from one home to another. What happens to the home loan then?
Now, the procedure in order for them to sell this property and then buy a new property essentially involves two separate new home loan applications. So the buyer for the property, right, is going to have to file a home loan application in order to buy this particular property. That loan needs to get sanctioned and the bank needs to be able to close the old account and begin a new account with the buyer of the property. So the new buyer will have to go through a full home loan process. So that's step number one. Step number two is that the person in question then, to buy their new property, their upgraded property, has to file another fresh home loan application wherein they'll put their location address as the new property they're buying, and they'll go through the usual financial due diligence and the legal due diligence checks that's required on the new home loan.
Right, Adhil, what is your advice for someone who's making this move right now? Is it possible to negotiate a better deal with my bank if I've been paying all my EMIs on time?
So I think that when one is looking to buy a new property, obviously the first good news is that they're going to hopefully have some amount for a down payment from their earlier property. Secondly, right, especially given the holiday season, banks are running special offers today. Special offers essentially manifest in two different forms. So either there are a discount on the interest rate. So a bank might say that, okay, the prevailing interest rate is 10.5%, but for the holiday season, for loans booked up to November 30th, that we're offering a 25 basis point waiver or a 35 basis point waiver. The second is that during the holiday season, banks also offer processing fee waiver. So a bank can say that, instead of having 1% as the processing fee, I'm capping the processing fee at 10,000, or I'm capping the processing fee at 8,000. So banks also during this last quarter of the calendar year are offering processing fee discounts. I think a number of banks have festival loans running right now. I think all the big ones like an LIC, an HDFC, and SBI, all of them have nice schemes running right now. And the two factors to obviously watch out for is what is the interest rate and what is the processing fee.
It's time for us to take a very quick break, but after the break,